All right, guys, we're currently on a rescue mission. We got the 2 bottles of water, pliers, flathead. Bro's got the dress shoes on too. My car broke down today. It was pissing coolant on the way to the gym, literally a mile away. So me and Ethan about to go rescue it. Yep. Like I said, once again, in the dress pants, you got to do a dapper. So, all right, guys. So it's only been like an hour since we left it. So we're hoping no one stole it yet. We do live in San Jose, so you know you can't hold it. You never know. All right, let's hope the car's not on blocks. Okay, all right, we're pulling in. Sorry, real quick. Oh, okay. Ooh, it's still there. That puddle is actually just water.
That's all coolant, yeah, right there. It's dry everywhere else, and that's just all coolant.
Yeah. All right, let's back in here.
At least you locked it.
Yeah, I did lock it. Yeah, I did. I actually want to move it outside of the puddle just so I can see if it's still leaking.
Dude, it's fast.
Yeah, it's pretty quick right now, bro. Not gonna lie, we're moving.
Ghost around the whip.
Yeah, got ghost right. Okay. Okay.
Pop it.
Yeah.
So like right there, you said?
No, so it was leaking right here.
Oh.
That hose right there. You see how there's foam around it a little bit right there? From the
oh,
radiator?
Interesting.
That one where it has literally a hand tight clamp. Do you think that's it? Do you think that's the problem?
Nah, definitely not.
Yeah, definitely not. Yeah.
I got it. I'll hold both. Watch. All right, here we go. Where's the hood? There we go. All right.
We've never done this before.
Yeah.
This feels like a new experience.
Uh-huh. Brand new.
Not like yesterday or anything.
Nope, definitely not. This is good. Yeah, it basically was too low.
Finger twist hose clamps are not usually the move on pressurized cooling systems.
Are you sure?
I mean, I'm no expert, so I don't know.
I spent $1 on them.
Yeah, really? Dude, that's
Yeah.
like
I spent a whole $1 on them, so I thought that was pretty good. I thought that was good enough, you know. I mean, they're $1 at AutoZone, so.
I mean, honestly, more than you usually spend, so
yeah.
I'll commend that.
Yeah. Well, how much are your hose clamps?
It wasn't free, so that's good.
Yeah. How much are your hose clamps that you?
I mean, at least $2.
Oh, okay, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, so me and Ethan are gonna replace them.
Ball out on that. You don't usually need to spend 2 whole dollars. That's kind of crazy.
Yeah, I spent $1 on mine, so.
Okay.
Oh God. So it's not cranking before. Please let it crank. Large amount of smoke out the rear. Oh my God, it's a cloud. YOLO. Oh my God, it's so bad. Either can you smell it? If it smells like coolant. Uh-oh.
Let me just wash base in here real quick. Oh, rich as shit, but not
Okay.
coolant.
It may just be 2-stroke, I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. Let's just do
Okay.
It's getting way less smoky, just as he drives more. It's getting way better.
Okay. It is?
Yeah, it's way less. It's like barely smoky now.
Okay. It's holding. I will knock on wood. It's holding temp.
Knock on headliner.
Dude, I think it's smoking a lot.
Completely stop smoking now, which is a good thing.
All right, guys, we made it home.
Success.
Mission success. It was smoking so much because
I think it flooded.
flooded.
And cranked it for a while.
We probably flooded before.
It didn't start because of a safety, probably, right? Because there wasn't coolant in it. So then you were just.
Yeah, I was just dumping fuel in and it flooded. Oh my God, that's. Wait.
Dude.
Dude.
Is that?
Oh, hell no.
All right, guys. So what we discovered is that you don't buy hand-tight, twisty-tie hose clamps for coolant lines. That's probably not the smartest decision that I've made for this car. I made a lot of stupid decisions.
It's up there.
It's up there. It's up there in stupidity. It's not the most, but it's competing for the most. So.
It was the last owner when he did the V-mount.
Yeah, the last owner
did the V-mount.
Yeah,
he did.
dude, the last guy that did the V-mount on this car, oh, man, he just messed it up like that, bro.
I can't believe he like.
I can't believe he did
hella
that, bro.
incompetent.
So dumb, man.
Wait, was that? Wait.
I think my favorite YouTuber Suchi did a V-mount on
He
his
did.
FD.
He did. You should follow his video. He did it really fast and really well.
Yeah. All right, what is going on, guys? It is the next day. It's time to fix this coolant leak, man. I'm gonna try to find the new hoses or something like that. But yeah, I'm tired of using these AutoZone hoses. Also, peep the shark slippers. My friend got them for me for Christmas. I love her so much. These are awesome. I've been wearing these around all in the house. Also, don't buy pants from, well, if you do buy pants from fast fashion like Shein, which I did, make sure when you wash them, they shrink so much. But that's just cheap clothing for you. So, I mean, that's, you know, your boy doesn't buy designer clothing. Your boy's dripping out in $16 pants. So, find some shoes. Pop the garage real quick. All right, so here we have this jack stand that holds 3 tons. Always make sure you use jack stands. I'm not, because I'm just taking a quick peek, but you should always use jack stands. Okay, so if I die right now, it's gonna suck. So let's see what we have.
Huh. Let's assume some coolant around there.
All right, guys, you know what? I'm gonna make the conscious decision and be smart and just move it into the street where I can. Oh man, it's like wet back here. All right, guys, instead of blocking the street, I decided to block the entire sidewalk. Yeah, I don't know. But one thing I've noticed about this car is that there's a leak. There's multiple leaks. So the car is like, the interior is like not flooding, but oh my God, dude, my car is like vaping right now. You guys can see that. But yeah, also, peep the the ground clearance real quick. I can't move. I have to move the car because it was so low. I just realized in the rear that I have to like move it, so when I jack up the front, yeah, you know, it doesn't destroy the exhaust. We're having some trouble right now. Oh, nope, that's the wrong way. Okay, now for the other side. Is it on the pinch weld? Yeah, I think so. Yep. That looks like the pinch weld to me. Okay, guys, so we got the car jacked up on both sides. I got that jack as a safety. I got jack stands, and I'm already seeing kind of an issue. Yeah, it doesn't look too good. So I'm already seeing it leaking. Let's see from where. Okay, so it look. Did I get on my camera? No. So I think I see where it's leaking from. All right. So we have the hose clamps. There's like, I did it kind of ghetto-ly, and I use this mid pipe right here as like a connector joint between these 2 old hose clamps, and I mean these two old coolant hoses. So this isn't the right way. You should just get 1-piece coolant lines. At the time, I was saving money, and I thought it would be cool. But you know, in terms, I think it kind of bit me in the ass. I mean, I'm not one to speak too soon, but I think I maybe should have just spent an extra like $30 on like a coolant hose instead of reusing the old chopped up one. Seal. What you can do is you could squeeze it. So you could squeeze the hoses really hard and see if it leaks, because that will simulate, you know, pressure from when it heats up. So that's one thing you guys can do, is just give it a good big squeeze. Just,
what?
Just grab that thing like this, get a fistful, and just.
Did the big squeeze fix it?
I'm giving it a good honk.
I don't see anything.
Usually stuff starts coming out when I do this.
I don't see
when I'm
anything.
working on cars.
Yeah.
Okay, nothing. Okay,
No.
we should be good then.
There is that big pool of coolant right there.
That was from before. All right, guys, we got the FD in the driveway. It's all safe and secure. So, yeah, I think we're just gonna me and Griffin are just gonna go live now on Twitch. I'm starting to stream a little bit more. I kind of want to do that. So, by the time you guys see this, I've already streamed. But yeah, make sure you guys. I'll pop my Twitch link in the description in case you guys want to follow. But yeah, we really just like going live, hanging out with you guys. Going on Marketplace and stuff like that. So if you guys want to see when we go live, I usually post on my Instagram, so you guys can follow me there, and I'll post the link to the my Twitch in the description too. So yeah, mission success. We fixed the hose. Well, not completely fixed it, but you know it still needs a brand new hose, but at least it's tight now, and hopefully it'll hold temp and not leak.
Guys, some hose you just can't fix.
That's. Hey, bro, I've never heard anything more true than that. That's facts. That's facts.
You see your head follow it?
Pickle, why are you hiding under there? All right, what is going on, guys? It's the next morning. Me and Griffin got to go drop off some of the merch that you guys purchased. Thank you so much for that. So we got to go to the post office. We're also going to go to Harbor Freight because I need a water pump. And not the water pump that goes in the engine. A water pump to literally, you guys will see, it's to pump out the water in the trunk. So...
Dude, this morning Eric goes, I need a new water pump. We should stop at Harbor Freight. And I'm like, bro, ain't no way. And he's like, no.
Yeah, no, not the water pump that you guys are thinking of. I'll show you guys. All right, guys, we're taking the ND. Damn. That shit's loud.
It's stock.
Huh?
It's stock.
Stop the cap.
Parked up, man. Look how abysmally small this car is compared to every single other car here, bro.
Size doesn't really matter.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It's fine. It like gets the job
Dude,
done. Yeah.
size in fact does not matter.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, wait. Wait, sorry. It just definitely not come with batteries because it was way too light. I think we found the batteries.
All right, guys.
Thunderbolt Edge.
For your water
Dude,
pump.
these are some like rep batteries, but it's okay.
These are rep batteries. All right, these will do.
Okay. Wait, those aren't D batteries.
Oh, fuck.
I think these are reps, but whatever.
Hi, Picky.
Hi. Okay. Alright, guys, so we have the little pump here. I'm gonna open it up, and it doesn't matter how I open it up because they said no returns for some reason. They said it's a safety hazard if you return it. So I don't know what that means, but okay, that should work. Okay. Okay.
Hey. Oh my god.
Oh!
Hey!
Alright, guys, I'm munching down on this $2 salad from Safeway.
Guys, we got the new. This is the new recipe you guys never heard
What the
about.
hell?
The chicken breast bagel.
Chicken breast bagel?
Yes,
Bro,
sir.
I've never heard of that. Is that real?
I've never tried it before.
Yeah, dude.
But we're out of rice.
Dude, you're an innovator, bro.
Bro, I didn't think I'd have to eat it.
Bro, what do you mean? It just looks good.
That's a 10 out of 10 right there.
It was good?
Hey, if you're watching at home, make it.
Chicken breast
It's actually pretty good.
good? It's good?
What's up, guys? Welcome to the Fort Togan food vlog. Here we got the chicken breast egg. Dude, this... Bro's frolicking through the flowers. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. You and I get to drain the water out of my car.
Alright, so we're gonna pop this trunk. See if there's any water. It may have evaporated. Alright, it definitely did not evaporate.
Oh.
So
Oh, it's like yellow.
Oh my god.
Ew.
There's so much of it! This was all in your trunk?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Bro.
Oh, you got it? Oh,
Yeah, I
sorry, I've
got
been
it,
holding
I
up
got
my
it.
head. Thanks, bro. Do you think that's why my carpet was wet and like moldy?
That might be, bro.
Are you sure? I don't know.
That's a good couple gallons of water.
Yep.
Nice.
Well, there's still a little bit in there, but I think we got a lot of it out, as you can see from our driveway. That was all in my car, so that's honestly, that's some good weight reduction we did today.
Mm.
That's pretty good.
What about that?
What? No, we're not. That might disintegrate. Here, let's take a gander. I think if I stuck this in there, I think
This will just melt.
It'll just start melting, bro. Don't, bro.
I can't.
Yo, what is going on, guys? If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. I woke up super early to finish this video before work, but I appreciate all you guys staying to the end. Like, yeah, it's just another fun vlog. You know, we didn't really fix much. I guess I just temporarily tightened hoses, but at the end of the day, I do need to get a new hose for that RX7. But yeah, I guess stick around to the next video, guys. And yeah, like I said, the Twitch will be in my bio, or in my link. The link will be in the description below, as well as the Discord. We did make a Discord, so if you guys want to join that, I'll put the invite link in the description as well. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.